Mathematics 10. Theorems on angles formed by tangents and secant. If MCE is equal to 160 and MBD is equal to 180, what is MCAE? If two secant intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the positive difference of the measure of the intercepted arc. So, ganito po yan. Hahanapin po natin itong MCAE gamit itong formula na MCAE equal 1/2 MCE minus MBD. So, yan. Substitute lang natin. MCE. Value po ng MCE natin is 160. Tapos, ang value po ng MBD is 80. Tapos, substitute natin siya. 160 minus 80. Since nasa labas yan, ma-minus natin. 160 minus 80 is equal to MCAE equal 1/2 equal to 80. So, 80 divide 1/2 is MCAE equal 40. Example number 2. If MPQR equal 220 and MPR equal 140, what is MPMR? Theorems. If two tangents intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the positive difference of measure of the intercepted arc. So first, we need to find the value of MPMR using this solution. MPMR equal to 1/2, then MPQR minus MPR. Hanapin lang po natin yung value ng MPQR is equal to 220 and MPR is equal to 140. Tapos po, i-substitute natin sila. MPMR equal 1/2. 220 minus 140 equal to MPMR equal 1/2 to 80. MPMR equal to 1/2 80. Then ang sagot po natin dito is MPMR equal to 80. Example number 4. Suppose M over length EB equal CX plus 15, MCD equal 4X plus 15, and MBFD is equal 120. Find the value of X. First, we need to use this formula. MEFB equal to 1/2 MEB plus MCD. Tapos, ang MEFB po natin ay 60. Ito yan. Tapos, equal to 1/2. Tapos, 6. Tapos, ilalagay lang po natin yung value ng EB tsaka CD, which is 6x plus 5 plus 4x plus 15. 60 equal 1/2. 10x plus 20. Kasi po, 6 10x plus 20 tas 60 equal 5x plus 10. Sunod, 5x equal 60 minus 10 is equal to 5x equal 50. So, ang final answer natin ay x equal 10. Ang theorem po natin, kaya po nangyari yan, if two secant intersect in the interior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1/2 the sum of the measures of the arcs intercepted by the angle and its vertical angle. So, hanapin naman po natin yung B. MEB equal 6x plus 5. Tas times natin. 6 times 10 is equal to 60 plus 5. MEB is equal to 65. So, yung B natin, yung MEB natin ay 65. Sunod, MCD naman is MCD equal 4x plus 15. 4CD equal 4 times 10 plus 15 is equal to 55. 4 times 10 is equal to 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. Kaya po, MCD equal 55. Example number 5. If MAD 149 and MAPD equal 39, what is MAB? MAPD equal 1 half, then MAD minus MAB. Bago po natin siya isolve, proceed muna tayo dito sa ating theorem. If a secant and tangent intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is 1 half the positive difference of the measure of the intersected arc. So, dito na po tayo. Napin natin yung value ng APD is equal to 39. Then, substitute natin siya. Tas 1 half. Tas 149 minus MAB. Since sinahanap natin yung MAB, sunod, 39. Then, naging 78. Tapos, 149 minus MAB. Tapos, pagpalitin lang natin yung mga pwesto nila. Itong kaninang negative MAB is naging positive MAB na. Tapos, equal to 149 minus 78. So, the final answer is MAB equals 71. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye. Have a nice weekend.